Claude Code is Anthropic's command-line coding agent that runs directly in your terminal. It's not an IDE extension. It's a standalone tool that gives you raw model access for agentic coding. Let me show you how to use it efficiently. First, install globally with npm install-g at Claude-code. You'll authenticate either with an API key or your Claude Pro subscription. Once installed, just type Claude in any project directory to start a session. The first thing you need to fix, line breaks. By default, Shift-Enter doesn't work. Type /terminal-setup and Claude will configure it automatically. Or use \enter as a quick escape. This saves constant frustration. Claude Code automatically pulls in your entire project context, which burns tokens fast. Use /clear liberally. Every time you start something new, clear the chat. You don't need all that history eating your context window. Create a claude.md file in your project root. This is Claude's constitution, its primary instructions for your codebase. Include coding standards, architecture notes, build commands, and workflow preferences. Claude reads this automatically on startup. Keep it concise. If it's over 25 kilobytes, you're doing it wrong. Claude asks permission for everything by default. Can I edit this file? Can I run lint? It gets old fast. Start Claude with dangerously skip permissions to run in autonomous mode. Claude will work without constant interruptions. You can still hit escape to stop it if needed. For more granular control, use /permissions to whitelist specific commands, or configure your .claude/settings.json file with allowed tools. Be specific upfront. Fix the login bug is weak. Debug the authentication error in user-service.js where JWT validation fails on expired tokens, gets better results immediately. Use the @ symbol to reference specific files or directories. Review at /source/ tells Claude exactly what to examine. Drag and drop images directly into the terminal. Yes, Claude can see screenshots. On Mac, use Shift, Command, Control, forward a screenshot to clipboard, then Control-V to paste. Not Command-V, that's the trick. /resume lists your previous sessions. You can restart old conversations even from days ago. /continue picks up where you left off if your terminal crashed. Use up arrow to navigate command history. Claude stores everything by working directory. For headless execution, use Claude-P followed by your prompt. This runs without entering interactive mode, perfect for CI pipelines or chaining with other CLI tools. Claude can run multiple instances of itself as subagents. When you see task in parentheses in the output, that's a subagent working in parallel. It automatically spins these up for complex tasks. One might research while another implements. Plan mode activates for multi-step requests. Just ask Claude to plan something complex, and it'll think through the strategy before executing. You can even tell it to commit the plan to a document first, so you can reset if the implementation goes wrong. Model Context Protocol lets Claude access external tools and databases. Type /mcp to configure servers. Popular ones include Context, 7 for documentation lookup, and file system servers for broader file access. Use @mentioned syntax to invoke them, like context, 7 followed by your query. 1. Use /clear constantly. 2. Build a good Claude.md file. 3. Skip permissions for autonomous coding. 4. Be specific in your prompts with file references. 5. Let Claude plan before implementing complex changes. 6. Use subagents for parallel work. Claude Code isn't perfect, but once you master these patterns, it becomes a legitimate power tool. The terminal interface means it's scriptable, composable, and works in any environment. Treat it like raw model access with a safety net. That's efficiency with Claude Code. Start small, build your workflow, and you'll wonder how you coded without it. Thanks for watching, and for more tips and tricks, visit dmpgh.com.